Transportation. Part 2. Air transport. Air transport is the movement of passengers, cargo, and mail through the atmosphere using aircraft such as planes and helicopters. As the fastest method of transportation, it connects cities worldwide, acting as a crucial component of global logistics and tourism for high-value or urgent goods. Here are some air transports shown. There are many different types of aircraft. They are airplane, helicopter, jet aircraft, and rocket. Air travel types are hot air balloon, parachuting, paragliding, and hang gliding. Perishable cargo, temperature-controlled cargo, and mail cargo are types of air cargo. Some air transports have different purposes, such as business flights, air charter, private aviation, and flight training. Generally, there are 3 flight classes in general plane. They are economy class, business class, and first class. Army flying or Army aviation should be for combat, humanitarian relief, search and rescue, and intelligence gathering. Advantages are high speed, fast service, send almost everywhere your freight, high standard of security, natural route, there is less need for heavy packaging. Disadvantages are risky, expensive cost, some products limitation, capacity for small carriage, and enormous investment. There are many jobs in the aviation industry, says flight attendants, pilots, flight instructor, flight coordinator. Also, maintenance jobs like aircraft maintenance technicians, avionics technicians. Ground-related jobs like passenger service agent, airport station attendant, and ramp service agent. In conclusion, air transport is important because it enables trade, tourism, and economic growth. It also helps to connect people and communities around the world.